Hey guys, and welcome back. So today I'm going to be reviewing two makeup brush cleaners, MAC and Douglas, which is a Swiss brand. So if you'd like to see which one works best, then keep watching. I have a small bowl of warm water. Let's make sure that I don't pour it on myself. And then I have two brushes. One is a blending brush and one is a crease brush from Real Techniques. And then I have both Douglas, it's a Douglas brush soap and MAC brush cleaner right here. So as you can see, I've used quite a lot of this, and this I just purchased not too long ago. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test both of them to let you see which one works best and which one works much faster than the other, because I already have in my mind the one that I love best, but I want you guys to see and to judge for yourselves which one is better. So here's my cup of water, my MAC brush cleanser, and my Douglas brush soap, and two blending brushes. So I'm going to start with the Douglas brush soap. It's an actual soap, and it's kind of dirty because I used it to wash my brushes before, sorry. So I'm going to start with this fluffy blending brush, dip it in some water, swivel it in soap, massage the soap into the bristles of the brush, rinse it again, and voila, it's clean. Now I'm going to go into the second blending brush, dip it in some water, use some of my MAC brush cleanser, massage it into the bristles of the brush, swivel into some water again, and there it is, it's clean. What do you guys think? So I wanted to use another brush, so I'm using this brush, and I have some color corrector in it, and I'm going to start off with the MAC brush blender to see how much comes out of it, because it's actually really difficult to wash out. So this is the end result with the MAC, and now with the Douglas soap, let's just see how this one plays out. It's clean. Yep, it's clean. So these are the three brushes compared with the last one that was just used. What do you guys think? Do you think MAC performed better than Douglas or vice versa? So guys, which one do you think worked best? Was it the MAC brush cleanser or was it the Douglas brush soap? Which one do you think worked best? Because honestly, I would say that this one works the best for me, because it cleans the brush within seconds without me having to go in again and again and again. Honestly, I think this one was the best, and I'm loving this one. I'm going to throw this away. So leave a comment down below and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Make sure to like this video. Make sure to share also. And yeah, and also do follow us on Instagram at Coral Beauty Ash, on Facebook Coral Beauty, and Snapchat, yes, Coral Beauty Ash 1. So thank you so much guys for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.
I was blinded, you gave me eyes to see. I was going under, you reached out to me.